forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Sikukune 0. I'm joined by Paisley Yagambuchuma.
Yeah, you go. I'm not the junior, my
yeah, I'm 2. 1 + 1 is Steve Gonzangak.
It's 2.
It's 2. Tina besenzi answer. Ngale bebe counter Tina senzi answer ngayi.
Bone beba counter.
1 + 1.
1 + 1.
Yeah, Tina sithi 2.
Yeah, nina niphume ngeanswer yakho na yali.
Yeah.
Is 1 ngali.
Yeah.
Nina niphume ngeresult yaleyo 1-1.
Yeah.
Which is 2.
It's 2.
That's advanced. It means nina ni slam ukudlula ngada.
Udlula bona la.
Basa busy nge-equation.
Yeah, bona.
Yeah, ngithola.
Yeah, Steve.
Yeah.
Yeah, Steve. Igame mfethu beyimnandi second half. First half
Okay.
beKenya because besebenzisa ama-winger kakhulu.
Yeah.
Isikhathi esiningi besidlala kuma-winger all the time lisebenza ngale ku-right all the time.
Yeah.
Even na second half beliya ku-left ngaleso sikhathi but first half la bedlala khona ku-right isikhathi esikhulu. So into enga-advise ama-player if mawungena eboxing mawuthola i-chance mfethu isebenzise lo chance because i-chance iza kayi-one. So ukora kwakho yikho into kuzobuyisa i-confidence yakho. Bheka nje namhlanje uNkosi Ngiphile bekangekho indaba ukuthi zangakwazi ukuthi Sunday akho yabona. So bheka manje lo chance imlahlekele maybe i-coach izothi awukabi serious ngokuthi ngakufaka because ngiyakufaka and then uyahluleka. So ama-player lento kumele ayi-understand ukuthi mawungena eboxing bheka noVelepai uVelepai bengaba mkhiphi of course naye ubukorile la goal lela.
Player 1v1 after first half.
Mfethu usaphaselana lapha kodwa thina into esiyifuna igoli asinendawo ukuthi ukore ngonyawo ngobhonsi into esiyifuna igoli.
Yeah.
So but bona amajita ayibonile icoach yethu and icoach yethu izomshaya lento ukuthi ufuna ukudlala ngama-winger all the time. Akakhathe inside abalande straight labantu bona mayiqala abalanda direct labantu kwenzakaleni sitholile amagoli ayi-2 abuya direct because uSolomon Tema iphusha walithatha walipressa phakathi kuze ikore lentwana uBatman. Yeah, so mase udlala ngama-winger onke ama-team esescoutile ukuthi onke ama-team abuya ngama-winger. So wena icoach le ayibuya ngesinye strategy ibuye straight. Mayibuya straight ama-team amaningi ama-defender amaningi aliboni akwazi ukumaka straight akwazi ukumaka malibuya emawingeni. So malibuya straight abakhulu. So le coach yayithi mayingadlalisa kanjalo amajita amnandi. Amnandi bona bovilakazi aboshabalala abophiri yabona amajita apressa mfethu. Sizokwazi ukuthi yabona le winner lamhlanje besifonela iSundowns.
Benifonela nithi
sifonela ukuthi siyeza ningaboni ushaya 2 ngokomthetho besifuna ukushaya 3 so sathi sibekele iSundowns
ithumela imessage
for indaba yaSaturday. Siyazi baswinile lamhlanje khona abanye abangajabulanga
aboba
yabazi
laba
abajabulanga
singababizi
inhliziyo ngeke sibabizi inhliziyo zabo zibhlungu. So amajita Saturday abona mayuna Saturday sazi Sundowns vele ukuthi esayithengile le le season le sebeyithengile vele
iSundowns seyibhayi season
seyibhayile yonke seyithengile. So otherwise Saturday thina sizozwinela. Ngiyabezwa abantu bePirate bafuna iVAR. Uyazi mangazi iVAR Pirate ngeke sathola cup. neSundowns ngeke sathola cup. But mangabheka amagoli eKaizer Chiefs abarobhile bekuthiwa kuneVAR. Sirobhe 20 goals abasirobhe.
Ngabe nimnandi.
Ngabe sihleli phezulu ngabe sisithatha amacup amaningi. Mangazi iVAR iSundowns nePirate ngaphinde bethole cup.
Sebayolamba.
Izohamba zehlathini straight.
It's over.